Hello everybody! Once I was asked to do a face massage using a spoon, and today I want to share with you my technique. But it's gonna be a bit different from what you normally see. This massage works for everybody, also for newbies. And many exercises are similar to what you have already seen on our channel. However, today we're gonna work with our face with a spoon. They give you a very gentle effect. For this massage, you're going to use 2 tablespoons and face oil or cream. If you're into Ayurvedic stuff, then you can use boiled lion seeds because they have a great effect on your skin and provide gliding. For the delicate parts of your face, you can use a smaller spoon. Apart from that, you are going to need 2 glasses of water, one with cold water and one with hot water. These massages normally done symmetrically with 2 spoons at the same time, but I would recommend to focus and do 1 spoon at a time. Start off by applying your face oil on your neck and your neckline. And using warm spoons, we're going to normalize the lymphatic flow. Here I'm going to work with 2 spoons at the same time. It's important to start off with that exercise. And now we are going to move on to the neckline, sliding the spoon from the center to the side towards your armpit. Paying extra attention to the area where you get your wrinkles first, and working through it in circular motions. Moving on to the front side of your neck, avoiding the area of pituitary gland, working through this area upwards, and then finishing off the exercise along the side of your neck, moving downwards. And moving on to your face, applying some oil on the clean skin. And work through the area between your eyebrows with a warm spoon. Moving and sliding circular motions. And slowly move on to your forehead, working through every area and every wrinkle. You should have enough oil for your spoon to glide. And after that, move on to your temples, which is crucial for a lifting effect for the middle part of your face. Working through the whole area of your temples. And moving on to the other side. And you can already notice the lifting of the end of your eyebrow. And moving on to the area of your eyes, starting off with eyebrow ridges. After that, working with the mimic wrinkles under your eyes. With the fingers of one hand, lift your eyebrow up. And using your spoon, work through the area of the outer corner of your eye. And after that, continue sliding your spoon from the outer corner to the inner corner and back. And finish off by sliding your spoon down along your neck, moving along the lymphatic flow. And now move on to the other side. Grab a warm spoon and work through your eyebrow ridges first. Then work with mimic wrinkles in the outer corner of your eye. For that, lift the end of your eyebrow up and with a spoon work through the area of the outer corner of your eye. Then slide your spoon to the inner corner and backwards. continuing downwards along the side of your neck. When you're working through the area around your eyes, you can use your favorite eye cream. You are going to let it be absorbed with a warm spoon and work through the wrinkles at the same time. If you want to get rid of swelling, you can grab 2 spoons that were in cold water and work through the area under your eyes, stopping in each spot for 1 to 2 seconds. Moving on to the middle part of your face, working with a warm spoon. Starting off with the wings of your nose, sliding the spoon from the center of your face to the side, and finish it off by sliding it down along the lymphatic flow, moving along the side of your neck, and repeating this exercise 3 more times. And now move on to the other side. Let's work through the area of purse string wrinkles. For that, roll your lips around your teeth and smooth out the wrinkles with a warm spoon. And now move on to the lower part of your face. We are going to do 3 exercises. And in order for those exercises to be more effective, you need to place the tip of your tongue in front of your front upper teeth. It helps forming a beautiful jawline. Starting off by working with the chewing muscle, you are going to move your spoon from the lowest point of your lower jaw upwards along the chewing muscle. After that, keeping your tongue in the same position, work the spoon along your lower jawline. The next exercise helps fighting the double chin. You should keep your tongue in the same position and slide your spoon from the center to the corner of your lower jaw. Do it 5 times and then finish off the exercise moving along the side of your neck. After you're done with your massage, make sure that you cleanse your skin from any leftover oils. It's a great technique and it's not gonna take you more than 5 minutes. You can do it as a course for 20 days, doing the massage every second day. If you found our video useful, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and click the bell. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends.